it's recording now.
Hello, this is Ron and Jordan with Little Blues, and we are at Runnings in, where are we in Minnesota right now?
We're in Marshall, Minnesota.
We're in Marshall, Minnesota, and we just picked something up.
We have a little surprise.
We're so excited.
A little addition.
Are you ready?
Is there
Turn the camera around. Drum roll.
I feel like Clark Griswold. All right, here we go.
It's Barbie! Her full name is Rhubarb, but we're calling her Barbie.
She's Miss Barbie, just like Miss Rain.
She's so sweet. She's 8 years old, and she's just a little love bug. We're obsessed with her already.
We really are. We've known her for 5 minutes. We're in love.
She's 30 inches tall, so she's just a little thing, and she is so sweet. All right, guys, it's time to go home with Barbie, so let's get her loaded up. She was a little iffy getting out of the other trailer, but this one with the ramp, she's a pro.
There we go, and then she's got her hay bag.
Not even a moment of hesitation. She's just like, all right, guys, let's go home and meet these other animals I keep hearing about. Hey, Barbie. We're about halfway done with our trip.
Here she comes for a treat.
Oh, a little treat. Well, halfway home, girl. Yeah, you having a good trip, girl. We're so excited to get her home tonight.
Barbie's home. We're back at the farm. We're just a little bit excited.
So excited. Yay!
All right, let's go get her to the barn here.
Hi, Barbie.
What do you think of little Barbie girl?
Hi. Okay. And then we'll just give it.
We're gonna get some straw in her stall.
She could go in the Melvin space.
Yeah,
Thistle's looking.
that can't say no. Oh, hello, girl.
Thistle.
Hello. Are you saying hi? Look at Oscar.
And all her new friends.
Oscar and Ohana.
Snoopy over there.
I'm sorry, they're like, they don't care.
Baby.
Hi. Hi, babies. How are my girls? How are my girls?
Do you see who's there? Did you find another pony?
Mr. Baby and her are saying hi.
Oh, Rosalind.
What do you think, Mr. Baby? All right, we got Miss Barbie in the stall. And Irene is completely in love, and so is Jordan. We got some straw, we got some hay for her, we got some water.
She settled right in.
She is just right at home. I think Mr. Baby's trying to get a little kiss in there. Aren't you, buddy, huh? You like Barbie? You gonna be sweet, huh? I think you guys are gonna get along just fine. Well, good morning, Little Blues. We're gonna check on Barbie. It decided to snow, I guess. Everyone's in the barn right now. Miss Rain's gonna come out and say hi. Good morning, Miss Rain. Good morning, girl. How's Miss Barbie doing in there, huh? I think you guys are gonna be buddies. It's kind of just a snowy, blustery day. Are you ready for some breakfast, girl? Huh? All right. I hear you. Well, let's go in and check on that new little horse, huh? I hear some baby goats. Here's some little piggies. Good morning, Ernie. Good morning, Bert. Well, good morning, everyone. Good morning, baby. Good morning, Betty. Looks like we got some sheep hiding over here. Looks like Melvin was in the snow. Were you in the snow and then decided to come on in? Good morning, Bluebell. Got a little stretch going on. We have Honey and Waddles, Peppermint, Eddie. What are you doing, Edward? All right, Oscar. Oh, and I hear Barbie. Good morning, Miss Barbie. Good morning. Good morning, girl. How are you doing, huh? How's Miss Barbie? All right, we'll get you out. Let's just get these everyone fed this morning. Oh, do you need your little breakfast? Your breakfast animal crackers? Melvin loves his little crackers. It's kind of like feeding Jabba the Hutt here with that big old Gomer mouth of yours. All right, one more. One more. All right. Whoop. You dropped it. All right. All done. All done. Let's say hi to Barbie. Hey, Miss Barbie. Come on out and say hi. She is so small. Even compared to our other horses, she is not a very big girl. I'm kind of surprised that Bo even cares. I mean, he's been around the big horses, the mini horses, but he wants to say hi. Everyone's got to get a couple sniffs in. Well, we're going to get this girl back in her stall. She's met a few of the animals. She'll continue to kind of acclimate. And we are, again, so excited to have her. Thanks for watching, everybody.